Why learn video editing? 3 benefits of adding editing to your skill set. Start simple video editing and learn how to make a video with pictures. This is a basic skill that even beginners can master quickly. Use programs like Canva, CapCut, or Movavi. Video editing is no longer limited to experts in the film business. This ability is growing increasingly in demand in a range of fields, from marketing to teaching and blogging. No matter if you are a businessman, teacher, or a content creator, having the ability to edit your videos will open many more doors to you. We'll see why it is worth learning to edit and what benefits it will give you. Increased competitiveness in the labor market. In the era of digital content, video accounts for the lion's share of internet traffic. Vidico said that by 2025, 82% of all internet traffic will be related to video materials. More employers are also looking for specialists who can make visually appealing videos. For example, marketing. If you work in marketing or PR, knowledge of video editors will help you create commercials, stories for social networks, and even presentations. Education. Teachers who know how to edit video lessons gain a competitive advantage over other educators. Creative professions. Artists, bloggers, and freelancers can save money by creating their own content. Start simple and learn how to make a video with pictures. This is a basic skill that even beginners can master quickly. Use programs like Canva, CapCut, or Movavi. Developing creativity. Video editing is not just a case of layers of frames. It is an art which tells you a story, expresses emotion, and tells you an idea. When editing a video, you have your imagination and you learn to think out of the box. A bright video presentation of the businessman for investors may bring a wow effect. A traveler will create an exciting video about a trip which will better memorialize than thousands of photos. Family videos become a touching film when parents create it, turning memorable moments into videos. Mastering video editors stimulates creative thinking and opens up new horizons in self-expression. Saving time and resources. It's both quick and costly to contact a professional editor. If you want to order a simple 1 to 2 minute movie, it'll run somewhere between $100 and $500. But what if you have a constant desire for videos? You will rapidly realize that it is more lucrative to learn how to create them yourself. You can find a lot of pre-made templates and tools in many of the popular video editors. So they can soon learn to master the editing basics. Simple editing abilities will allow you to create a high-quality video within a matter of hours and save money with third-party services. How to get started? Mastering video editing may seem complicated at first, but it's actually easier than you think. The key is to break the process down into steps and take it one step at a time. Here's a step-by-step plan. Number 1. Choose a video editor. At the beginning, choose free programs for amateurs. When you feel confident, you can move on to more complex programs. Learn the basics. Watch tutorials on YouTube or take courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Number 2. Practice. Merge some photos and add some music and write a description to your video. Work with videos. Record a small video with your phone and try to cut it, add some effects and titles. The best teacher, after all, is practice. You'll learn the tools after working with them for just a few hours. Number 3. Participate in real projects. Create videos for yourself, friends, or small orders. Here are some ideas to get you started. Get a school or work project presentation done. Edit a family video or a greeting. Create a short video meme to be posted on social media. Such tasks will allow you to polish your talents, establish a portfolio, and receive your first feedback. Number 4. Move toward professionalism. Once you've mastered the basic skills, learn advanced techniques. Working with multi-layer editing. Creating complex effects in After Effects. Editing 360 degrees or VR videos. Video editing is not only a useful skill, but also a universal one that will come in handy at any age and profession. It allows you to stand out from the competition, save resources, and implement creative ideas. Start learning today, and it may become your key to new career heights. Media detail. Contact person name, Alex Oger. Email, a.oger@movavi.com. Company name, Movavi Software Limited. Website, https://movavi.com. Contact phone, +1205 846 4477. Address 105 Boathouse Drive, Wildwood, Missouri 63040, Missouri, USA.